Hello guys, welcome to another very important project. So let's start. Import image or your video and create a new composition. So add your video to new composition, then log. Right click, create a new solid, and right here, Saber Light. Click OK. No matter which color you want to select in solid, and then go to effects, go to video copilot, select Saber Light. So Saber Light is simply looks like a line. So if you need to change the presets, click here. There you have a lot of presets like this. So if you need to create your own favorite effects, change to default and press F4 on keyboard. Change mode to add, and then change the color to green. Click OK. So zoom in and hold Ctrl on keyboard, change the size of the line, and then select your solid, turn off the layer, and move your image to center. Press comma down of the escape key on keyboard to see full screen, and select pen tool. Start your pen tool pen design like this to create a mask. Close. Press comma button and then fit your composition screen. Select Saber, turn on, and go to Effect Control Saber Effect and go to Customize Core. Click here, expand, and then change core type to Layer Mask. Okay, and now hold Control on keyboard, change glow intensity, change sprayed, change bias, change core size like this, and now select again Saber Light Solid and go to Distortion, Glow, hold Control, change to Energy to make little bit fractal, and change Noise Scale. So expand Core Distortion, change to Energy, hold Control, make little bit noisy, and change scale size to small. Okay guys, and now time to make animation for this energy. Select again Saber Light, go to second one and go to customize core. There is start offset. Make 100% stopwatch. So go to 15 frame 1 second. In 15 frame make 0 and go to 7 frame 1 second, 7 frame, stopwatch end offset, go to second 2, 0. So, and now make frame your composition, press space, so I need to animate mask evolution 2, stopwatch, go to second 2, make little bit animate, play again, press U, not too much, Hold Control, make 15 degree, play again. Good. Okay guys, sound effect, double click sound effect, drop here, and expand audio, waveform C. So I need to set this sound effect right there. When you play, electricity is going off. Let's render. Let's play now for test. Not bad. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create this kind of effects on your commercials like a Monster Energy drink. So in next time I want to create how to make sci-fi VFX film to use sword, the Saber Light on sword like Star Wars. So have a good time, good luck, all of you.